What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, it's the last day of September. September 30th has arrived, which is historically a pretty bearish month, followed by a really strong month of October, and hopefully to close out the year, quarter four 2024, and then entering into 2025's really significant bull cycle. Remember, as always, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We will talk about Pepe, but remember, right now we're seeing a little bit of a correction across the market. Bitcoin down about 3%, ETH about 1.9%, still holding strong above their support levels, 63.5 for BTC and then 2,600 for Ethereum. Things are looking quite good. Today's biggest gainers, meme coins. Bonk is the number one gainer for today, but what I want to talk about specifically is Pepe, and then I'm going to highlight some things and catalysts to look forward to in the coming months. So Pepe still outpacing Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in terms of trade volume, $1.1 billion exchanging the hand of traders today. So we continue to outperform every other meme coin and cryptocurrency within this category over the last few days. And honestly, over the last month, up 43%, not too shabby whatsoever. You can't see these kind of gains outside of crypto. For those of you that are trading, unless you're really technically savvy and you're someone that is able to scalp and day trade, to be honest, at the end of the day, cryptocurrency does yield the highest potential for risk and reward. But most of the time, especially during a bull market, it is very rewarding. The community sentiment is still extremely bullish. And then the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, still neutral, leading into the bull run. Cousin Crypto takes it over to Twitter or X this morning and puts a really good post. He said, historically, September is the worst month for Bitcoin, but a bullish September leads to an even more bullish October. This year, we did have a pretty overall bullish September. CZ, of course, the founder and ex-CEO of Binance, is now released and talking publicly and is live back on social medias after being in prison for 4 months. Rate cuts are underway, he states here. FTX repayments are underway. They're paying back their creditors and their investors who were utilizing their exchange. And then it is election year, of course, in the United States, and the stars are finally aligning. We know there has been some significant things on the coast of the US, the East Coast. We're seeing right now a lot of strikes from port workers, which is affecting supply chain. And we know that can impact markets, at least in the short interim or the short term. And in addition to that, we're seeing some significant escalations in the Middle East. But again, nothing too new, unfortunately, but it is creating a little bit of some uncertainty in the markets. But again, in my opinion, probably short term. And I do just always wish for world peace, calm, and everyone to just be safe. The overall market is looking strong. Pepe is still looking very strong. Corrections and dips are for doubling down unless otherwise noted. And right now in the market, there is no catalyst that are saying that we are entering in any way, shape, or form a bear market. From the economy standpoint, from the rate cut standpoint, from the demand standpoint, everything is substantially increases. And you can look at that from institutional inflows coming from the BlackRocks of the world, the Grayscales, the Fidelities, the Charles Schwabs. You're seeing significant inflows for BTC and Ethereum ETFs, and hopefully more ETFs on the way. I appreciate your support as always. Wanted to give you guys my updates for the day. Again, very excited for what Pepe has to do. Still on that 10 to 20x potential from current valuation, in my opinion. That's all I had. So until next time, everybody, I'm going to leave you off with one more thing, actually. From Cryptos R Us, my boy, George. Really respect and appreciate George's post, and he said it's almost time. Check this chart out. Every halving year is followed by a substantial run-up in the market. There's 2013's first halving, 2016 halving, 2020 halving, 2024 halving. So where are we headed based off previous projections? You guys see it right now, and it's a logarithm scale, of course. We could see Bitcoin go from $64,000 all the way up to $340K if it follows all the previous halving cycles. What does that mean? We have some I can't even speak, substantial things to look forward to. At a $340,000 BTC during this next cycle, that's a 5x from current valuation plus. Where does that put ETH? Where does that put the entire rest of the market? You guys decide. I appreciate your support. Just here to share the news. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.